Okay, so in this video I have shown you both the application and the website. So first we are discussing how to create an account on Coinbase. So either you can download the application or you can go to the website. Then you can click on create account, enter your first name and last name, enter your email ID and then verify your email ID. You can check the code from your mail ID, paste it here and then just click on continue. We will be doing the verification step later. So as you can see on the website, it will ask you to add a bank account, but for the application you can still add the bank account in later steps. How to verify an account in Coinbase. If you have already logged into your Coinbase account, and if you go to your Coinbase app and click on your profile and settings, then you will see the option as limits and features. There you will get the option to verify your ID. Also, whenever you are trying to purchase any crypto, there it will also tell you to verify your ID. So in both ways you can verify. And you can also see how it looks on the website. That is how you need to upload the document. Or you also need a webcam and you can see how it actually looks, and also notice that the ID types are based on where you are from. So currently you can see it's passport, ID card and driving license. So just select any and proceed with the on-screen guide. It's very simple to follow. So try it, it's very easy. If you haven't joined our YouTube community yet, I request you to join to support us. You can go to our YouTube channel and click on the join button and choose any tiers and join in. You will also get quite a lot of benefits from it. Firstly, you will get the access of the badges and custom emojis. You get highlighted on all comments, posts and live chats. There are posts and polls for members only. And you also get special early access to all videos prior to others. There's also a specific tab only for community members. Not only that, there's a huge lot of other benefits that you will get, showing you some of them as per tiers. So we request you to please join our YouTube community and support us to help us create more good contents for you. And at the last, we would like to thank you for your support. Hey, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel if you haven't subscribed yet. And please leave any comment below if you still have any questions or any suggestions on the videos or improvements that we can make. And share it with your friends, and hope we meet again soon on the next video. Till then, bye.